Hello friends, today we are going to learn about different types of welding joints. So let's get it. So I have given here 5 types of joints. Okay, so let's see. First is butt joint. We know that. Yeah, it is here. See, it's both parallel surface are joined together. Here is lap, both overlapping between them. Okay, now this T joint. See, perpendicular to both surface. Okay, now edges and this is corner, both corner applied that weld. So this type of joints we have to make today. So let's go. And okay, I have opened my screen in Solidworks and okay, I have chosen part. Yes. Okay, so firstly we have to make which one? Yes, butt joint. So okay, I have selected front plane and going to start with line command. Okay, so I have choosing and I want to make V groove because it is butt joint, both parallel surface we want to create. Okay, I have not made this line horizontal, so what I will do, select and horizontal. Okay, all lines I want to create horizontal. Okay, select it. Yes. So yes, center line should be beneficial here, so make it. Yes, and apply angle of V groove. So mostly we use in V groove 60°. Yes, I know that these things happen, so that's why I have made center line, which is 30°. Yes, nice. Okay, now we have to give a dimension to all lines. So for that, select smart dimensions and go with it. Apply it here. Yeah, it's good. It is also. Yes. Now this distance between them both line is, it is too much short. So okay, apply 20. Yeah, it's good. Now we can see here I don't make different parts, we directly groove on this both surface. Yeah, you can see it's also different types of command. Yes. Okay, fully defined. Okay, we have applied on both sides. So for that I should delete one. So you choose that line. Yeah, delete it. Okay, so extrude it. This both surfaces are parallel to each other, so this joint is called butt joint. Yes. Okay, now let's how to apply welding in the SolidWorks on this. So for that you should go on Weldament. Yes, and select weld bead. Okay, now choose weld path. Yes, and select these intersecting edges. Yes. Okay, so in which we are going to apply how much bead? Let's try 10 Yes. Okay, it is no sewable, you think that, but so far you have to go weld folder and see show cosmetic welds. See, it's created weld bead and its under part is called root. Okay, so it is too much small, so for that we have to apply. So go on weld folder and edit feature on it. Okay, now go and apply it. Okay, 20, and you can also define the weld symbol, and I have already make this such a wonderful video in my another, so I have put that link in description, see it. Okay, and okay, so you can see different things here. Okay, after it we have not needed right now this. If you have make any changes, so it will show in this icon button. Yes, so it is too much long, and that deep root part it's called root weld. Okay, root part weld. Yeah, So we have to again edit feature because it is too much big, so we are going to it. Okay, if you want on peripheral all the side, yeah, so for that the symbol is used. Its symbol has its own important. Yes, when you are going to industry, so they have defined and according to they will create that. Yes, okay, okay, now I am giving dimension to it. Applied here 15. Yeah, it is good, I think. See, it's okay, I think. Yeah, so okay, we have created. Now I can apply also material look, so you can see here I apply this one. Yeah, it looks nice. This looks is for attraction. If you are presenting your CAD model to someone, so it is looks fantastic. Yes, okay, so we have created this first one butt joint, and it is too much easy, I think. Okay, now we move on our second joint types, which is what, which is our lap joint. So okay, for lap joint we have know that both surfaces are overlapping, so we have to make drawing as like that. Okay, so for that I have chosen corner rectangle and given dimensions to it. Yes, now what I am going to do, take another rectangle like that and make it perfect. Yes, okay, so we have done this. So our next task will be to make extrude surface. So for that go on features and extrude both the surface. Yeah, we have created it. Now okay, this overlapping surface called overlapping surface and applied material. I think we have forgot in our first joint to apply material. We have only apply color, so here I have applied material. So for that go on again part 7 and click on design tree, edit material, yes, and mostly we are using in welding. Yeah, ductile iron, see its property. Okay, I applied it and you can see it. Okay, okay, so we are come on our tab. Yes, so I have made it. Now I have applied here some attractive look color, so for that I have applied this one. Okay, yeah, according to your likable color you should apply it. Okay, now for weld bit I have selected path here. Yes, and okay, new weld path for making another. Yes, this one, select it, this edge. Yes, so I have to define here, close this one symbol, and okay, we have both selected this edges where we want weld, so click it, and for seeing that weld bit we are go on weld folder, cosmetic view. See, it looks perfect. So we have made it. It's called which type of joint? Lap joint. Yes, right. Now we have already applied the material, so it's okay. Okay, so we have done this, and you can see here weld bit size also. Okay, so now we move forwards on our next, means third types of weld joint, which is T-joint. So both surfaces are perpendicular to each other, so 90 degree. Then we are applying welding between them, so that is called T-joint. Difference between corner and T-joint is that T-joint's vertical surface is all in the center. Yes, and in the corner it will be at the end. Yeah. Now I have again selected rectangle. Yes, and give dimension to all. Here I applied here 10. Yes, it is also 10. Yes, so we have unwanted part, so we can trim easily by this tool. And if you don't see that my video how to sketch in Solidworks, so see that it is too much basic and fundamental. If you see that, so it is too much beneficial for you. Yes, so I have trimmed all that things which is unwanted. Yes, okay, so yes, select it. Yeah, our shaded sketch contours is on, so that's why this closed entities looks in shaded. Yes, after that extrude it up to 10. Yeah, okay, so we have created. Now we are going to apply weld bead. So for that, go on weld bead and apply it. Firstly choose weld path here and choose the surface which we want to make welding. So okay, I have chosen, and choose new path. Yes, I have chosen both. To seeing weld bead, we are going on weld folder again and see cosmetic welds. See, it looks nice. Firstly, we are going to apply material because it is the sign of good designer. When you are making something, so you have to apply material. That's compulsory to you because it gives you idea about how much weight at the end of your entities. Okay, so let's give it color. Yes, it's nice. Okay, so as I have discussed to you, this is our third type joint, T type. Okay, T joint. If you want to measure its mass, so go on evaluate mass properties and select. Yeah, see, its mass is given here, and you can also center of mass. See, it is in the center, so it is the perfect design of our. Okay, so these things you should consider when you are going to design, because you should become a perfect designer. Okay, and this video helps to you. Okay, so our next part is our fourth types of joint. Which one is edge joint? Okay, so we have to apply this joint when the both edges are joint. Okay, so for that we have to create like edge type of joints. So it is, I think it is very other than all, it is low. I think its joining is too much not hard. Okay, and you see that I have applied offset in this. Okay, I want to apply it, or I want to make like this again. So what I will do, mirror it. Okay, so for that make a one center line between them and mirror it. Okay, apply dimensions, distance between them. Yes, 0.1. Yeah. Okay, so mirror it from that center line, this entities. Okay, so we have created it. Now extrude the surface and make it in 3D. Yes, because 3D gives more idea about this joint. So that's why I'm making this video. And it is, I think you should have to do it. Okay, so go on weld bead and select the weld path. Select that surface between them. Very small edges. Yes. So now seeing on the weld folder, it is too much big. Okay, so for that we have to edit something on it. So for that what we are going to do, we are going on weld folder and see it and edit feature. Okay, so applied here, file. Let's see it. Now let's see different these tools. If you have to apply from specific length, like here is our hole is 10. So if you have to specify some distance like 1 mm2, you can see the changes in this line. See, it only created only that 1 to 6 mm area. Okay, now again edit feature it, and if you want to make like only some intermediate weld like this type of things, so okay, I close this from to length and see. Only you need this type of, you can also apply weld length gap. I have applied here 2 mm. Okay, see. So you can see and learn these things also. Okay, 8 mm should be perfect. And see, these things will happen to this and it looks also nice. Here I created intermediate, but you want to make it perfect, so for that again I am going and close this all and yeah, click on it. See, it is our original. Okay, so this is our edge joint, and now give it to material first. Okay, iron, apply it. Yes, if you want to give it color, so go on edit color. Yes, choose number. Yeah, I have chosen this. It looks small. Okay, so we have created it. Yes, now we move ahead. Okay, so for that I am choosing different part again, and let's go into CAD it. Okay, this is our last, which is corner joint. Yes, so for that we have to make some corner like, so for that I have selected corner rectangle and make this and create a corner by taking different rectangle. Let's try it. Okay, so we have to create this. Okay, give the dimensions to this 20 to 60. Yes. Okay, so we have given to this, and if we want to make 3D, so what we are going to do, you know that we are going on features and extrude it, make it 3D. Okay, choose both entities, both rectangle, and make it 3D. Yes, if you want to change in these dimensions, again go on design tree, right click and choose the dimension and make it perfect. Okay, by applying different. Okay, so I have made it. Now I want to make corner weld. Okay, before going apply material. Okay, in iron we have to choose. So here I am applying grey cast iron, which is too much useful for compress. Okay, compressibility is good of it, so it is used in base or like that. Okay, so now we are going to apply color. Yes, yeah. So okay, we have to create weld bit, and it's that weld joint is called corner joint. Yes, now we have to create like this, selecting this one, and after choose, give dimension to it. Yes, now choose new weld path and select this one. Yes, so we have select this. Okay, yes, see cosmetic weld, and you can change the differences. Okay, if you want to add it, go and change it. Okay, so that is not an issue, but most good thing is there your understanding. Okay, I have applied this one. So my personal suggestion is that if you like this video, like. If you got praise from your friends, so send this video to them. And also one thing is that don't forget to subscribe, because this type of videos will come in this channel. Okay, so and if you need any suggestion, so please comment me so I can make it more perfect for you. Okay.
Hey friends, if you like this video and its content, so please like the button, and you want to more updates on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on this bell icon, so for that you will get notified for more updates. So thank you friends, and if you need any improvements, so please comment on me. Thank you for your wonderful support.